नमस्ते बच्चों, माई सेल्फ JVN Dr. Surendra Kumar Srivastava from the Department of Science under the Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today we will discuss the linear span. If S is a non-empty subset of a vector space V, then the set of all linear combinations of finite sets of elements of S is called the linear span of S and denoted by Ls. Since alpha 1 x1 plus alpha 2 x2 plus and so on plus alpha n xn belongs to V, it is evident that Ls means linear span of S is the subset of V. Ls is equal to alpha 1 x1 plus alpha 2 xn x2 plus and so on alpha n xn such that small n belongs to Ni, where vectors x1 comma x2 comma x3 and so on xn belongs to S, and all scalars which is denoted by alpha 1 comma alpha 2 comma alpha 3 and so on alpha n belongs to capital F field. Now there is a related theorem to the linear span. Theorem statement is the linear span Ls means linear span of S of any subset S of a vector space V over a field is a subspace of V. For proving this, we let alpha comma beta are two scalars which belongs to F, and there are the two vectors x comma y belongs to Ls, such that x is equal to alpha 1 x1 plus alpha 2 x2 plus and so on alpha n xn, and y is equal to beta 1 y1 plus beta 2 y2 plus and so on beta m yn. Y, x and y belongs to Ls because by the definition of Ls means all the set of all linear combinations of the vectors. So x and y are the linear combinations of vector x1 comma x2 and so on xn, and y is the linear combination of y1 comma y2 and so on ym. So x comma y belongs to Ls, where alpha I comma beta j belongs to F, where I comma j is equal to 1 2 3 and so on n, and j is equal to 1 2 3 and so on m. Similarly, xi comma yj belongs to S, for I is equal to 1 2 3 and n, and j is equal to 1 2 3 and so on m. Then we find alpha x plus beta y is equal to alpha. Now put the value of x, that is alpha 1 x1 plus alpha 2 x2 plus and so on alpha n xn plus beta in bracket beta 1 y1 plus beta 2 y2 plus beta 3 y3 plus and so on beta m ym is equal to alpha in bracket alpha 1 x1 plus alpha in bracket alpha 2 x2 plus and so on plus alpha in bracket xn plus beta 1 y1 plus beta 2 y2 plus and so on plus beta ym into beta m. Thus alpha x plus beta y has been expressed as a linear combination of a finite set x1 x2 x3 and so on xn, and y1 comma y2 comma and so on ym of the elements of S. Hence alpha x plus beta y belongs to Ls. Therefore alpha x plus beta y belongs to Ls for all scalars alpha comma beta belongs to F, and vectors x comma y belongs to Ls. Hence Ls is the subspace of V. Thank you.